Hey, welcome to Toy Time Town. Today our adventures begin at Paw Patrol Place. Hey, Toy Timers.
Hey, Tommy Dog.
Let's go. The Paw Patroller here.
Hey!
But wait, the Toy Time Town Wizard is around and he's feeling naughty. Look out, Paw Patrol! Can you help us open the eggs and find all the Paw Patrol? Here's our checklist. If we can find all the Paw Patrol and their vehicles, we can win ourselves a Tommy Dog star. Who's first? It's Rubble Dog.
Yay!
Look, one down, more to go. It's Chase!
Yay!
Well done! Keep going, Toy Timers! Ooh, a bonus character! It's Chicoletta! I saw Snow, she's ready to go, it's Everest! Okay, 3 found, but no vehicles yet. Keep looking, Toy Timers. Rubble! Wow, we found 4! But don't stop now, we still need some vehicles. Yay, our first vehicle! It's Zuma's orange hovercraft.
Yay!
It's Rocky's green recycle truck.
Yay!
Wow, another vehicle. It's Skye's pink helicopter.
Yay!
Ooh, a bonus character. It's Ryder. Well done. Keep going, Toy Timers. Zuma.
Yay!
Tracker.
Yay!
Well done! Keep going, toy timers! Ooh, a bonus character! Oh, it's a Skye Masham! She's cool and squishy. What do you think is next, toy timers? Shout it out! It's Rubble's Yellow Bulldozer!
Yay!
It's Marshall's Red Fire Truck!
Yay!
Okay, we're doing well. Keep going. It's Chase's blue police vehicle.
Yay!
Only 3 more to find. It's Skye.
Yay!
2 more to go before we get our Tommy Dog star. Who's this? Rocky!
Yay!
Okay, 1 more to go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Paw Patrol. 6, 7, 8, 9. We're missing 1. Which one are we missing? Yes, it's Marshall. Oh, wait. Hang on. That's not the right Marshall. Let's ask the Toy Time Town Fairy Princess to help us out. Is that right? No, that's his big red fire truck. Let's try again. Is that right? No, that's a Marshall Rubble. He's too wobbly. Let's try again. Is that right? No, he's too big. Let's try again. Is that right? Yes! It's Marshall!
Yay!
Well done! Here's your special Tommy Dog badge! To become a toy timer, click the subscribe button. That's the big Tommy Dog face on your screen now. Also, click the thumbs up like button and then watch one of the videos below.